Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Devleena and in today's video I will be sharing my top 5 red lipsticks with you guys. So I am starting this new series where I will be sharing my top 5 lipsticks in each category. So starting with my absolute favorite, which is red. I love wearing red lipsticks and I feel that red looks really great on me. Though my favorite color is pink, but still whenever I am buying a lipstick I always gravitate towards the red color. And also another thing is that I am someone who really likes blue toned red. So all of the lipsticks that you will be seeing in this video, either they will be blue toned or neutral toned. I do not have or own any kind of warm toned colors because I feel that warm tone doesn't suit me or complement me that much. And another thing is that all of the lipsticks that I will be showing in this video will suit every skin tone out there. I believe that these lipsticks are universal and they will be suiting every single skin tone out there. So these lipsticks are very affordable except for one of them, and I will be showing the swatch of these in daylight condition so that you can see the true color of the lipsticks on my lips. So starting with the first lipstick, and this is the only expensive lipstick in this range, and if you have guessed it, then yes, this is the MAC Retro Matte lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. Now this is the best red lipstick ever made. Now this is a lipstick which I believe should be there in every girl's vanity, and this is the best red lipstick out there. I absolutely love this lipstick, and you can see from here how much I have used it. This is like almost going to be over, and the smell of this, like if you have smelled MAC lipsticks, you would know the smell of this is amazing, and this is the best. I don't think I have to tell anything else about this product. This looks amazing on me. I love this, and you have to have this in your vanity. Second lipstick that I have is by the brand Sugar, and this is the Nothing Else Matter long wear lipstick, and this is in the shade 27 Red Flag. Now this is actually my new found favorite, I would say. This shade that you can see over here, this is actually a blue toned red in color, and this glides on very smoothly, gives you a matte finish, but this does transfer, so that's a little bit of a con this side, but then this is extremely pigmented. It beautifully glides on the lips, and the color of this is fantastic. I feel that anything which can be close to Ruby Woo is this color. This color is beautiful, gorgeous. If you do not have a budget to invest in such a expensive lipstick like Ruby Woo, you should definitely go out for this one. This is a perfect blue toned red, and when I actually got this, I was like shocked with how similar this is to Ruby Woo, and I won't say they are like exactly the same, but they come from a very similar color family. You can see in the swatch they look absolutely beautiful, and this packaging also is extremely just screams party to me, and this is a great lipstick. I would highly recommend this one too. Now coming to the third lipstick which I absolutely love, and this is by the brand Miss Claire, and this is the Miss Claire Matte Power Lip Color, and this is in the shade 07. Now this is a true red color with a hint of blue tones in it, which is my favorite. I think I have mentioned that a lot of time. So this is a liquid lipstick, and this is beautiful. Like the shade of this is amazingly gorgeous. I love the shade of this. This glides on very beautifully on the lips, is immensely pigmented, doesn't transfer, and is very comfortable on the lips. So yeah, this is another favorite of mine. This was actually a recommendation by Shreya Jain, and I would definitely recommend this to you guys too, because I really love the lipstick, and out of all of the shades that this one had, I had to pick the 07 one because this looks great. Now coming to another lipstick. Now this is a lipstick which I really like, and this is by the brand L'Oreal Paris, and this is their Roots Signature lipstick, and this is in the shade 115 I Am Worth It. This is like a very neutral toned red color. Now as I said that I do not gravitate towards warm tone or neutral tone that much, but this is like a very beautiful neutral tone. I feel that this complements my skin tone very well, and it will complement every skin tone out there. If you are also from a dusky skin family, this will complement you really great. I absolutely love the formulation of this particular lipstick, because this is like a lipstick which is something you can apply as a tint, you can go full on as a lipstick. So yeah, this is something which I really like, and they are very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't last for a very long time, but still this is a great lipstick, and the color is very beautiful, and of course one of my favorites. And the last lipstick which I have, I do not know whether this is still available or not. If this is, I will be linking that in the description box below. This is my first red lipstick ever, and this is very special to me, and I really thought I should be including this in this particular video. So this is the Maybelline Color Show lipstick in the shade Red Carpet, and this is a very beautiful neutral tone red color. This has a very beautiful smell as well, like a very fresh minty fruity kind of smell. But yeah, this is a lipstick which I really liked, and this is not completely matte, because the Color Show lipsticks are very normal. They are like a demi matte sort of a finish, but this color is gorgeous. Like, I don't know whether they have discontinued this particular shade. Like definitely they have discontinued the packaging of the product, but I will be trying to find this out on Nykaa and link it in the description box below, because the shade of this is extremely beautiful, and this is the time when I realized my love for red lipsticks. So yeah, this is a very special lipstick for me, and I have kept this with me. So yeah, that was my last recommendation. So yes, that was all my recommendation from this video. I will be putting all of the links in the description box below if you want to go ahead and purchase any of the product. And that was all for this particular video. If you liked the video, then definitely give this one a big like, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really like when you hit the subscribe button. It really motivates me to make more videos for you guys. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I am extremely active on there, and I post daily content over there. If you don't want to miss that out, then definitely follow me on Instagram. I will be putting my handle somewhere on the screen. And that was all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.